Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be fixing my Pixel 3. Yeah, the battery exploded. This is a hazard. I can't keep this, and yet I still keep it. Wow. Also, yes, I am at my desk this time because I lost my recording box. I don't know what happened to it. I wish I knew where it was or where it went, but I don't. So we'll just move on. So first, I did tape back the back so that it would like stay on the phone. So I guess it's time to remove that now. Wow, wireless charging coil, how cool. And here's the package, yay. Let's cut into it. Whoa. Wow, cool box. I love this box. All right, so this must be the battery. Yep. Time to bust out the iFixit kit. Now, since I already removed the battery, now all I gotta do now is pull back up the iFixit guide. First of all, we dispose this battery in a safe spot, and then we take the new one. Oh, it's sealed. Battery calibration. Charge your newly installed battery up to 100. Keep charging it for 2 more hours, then use it until it shuts off. La la la, all that. Recycling. How do I recycle it? Well, this one's exploded, so I don't think they'd want this, but I'll try later. Now onto the main event. Yes, the battery. Beautiful. New battery, old battery. Wow. They look virtually identical. Except this one's more smooth. Wow. Okay, let's see. This one is 11.2 watt hours. And this one is also 11. Wow, okay. Well, this battery's old, so yay, new battery. The backstory to this phone is that I use it for I use it as my dash cam in my car. And that's the reason why the battery's all exploded now. It's because it got way too hot one day, and then yeah, and then this happened. So this one's gonna be a short one, so it's not gonna take too long. Now time to reinstall the battery. First, I have to replace this foam piece onto this side, like right there, and then I guess plop it in. Or maybe not like that. Ooh. Yeah, maybe not like that. Tessa tape. I was going to reinstall some of the tape in here, but I guess not. Or maybe, you know what? I have regular double-sided tape. Wow. I'll put a little bit right in the middle. Oh, ew. Maybe not this. And maybe not on the phone. I'll put it on the battery itself. Let's put one right here. And then wrap it over like that. Slide it in, plop it down. Yes. Perfect. And then we'll just connect it. Oh, right. The guide does say to temporarily reattach the battery, like that, just so that I can have proper positioning. And from what I can see, the right edge just needs to be up against there, like that. Yes, like that. Reconnect the battery just for science. Now I'm curious, will it turn on? Nope. Battery dead, of course. It took ages for it to ship out to me. Of course it's dead. But now we will begin the reassembly process. Yay, fun part. Check this out. That's cool. This is no time to get distracted. Oh wait, crap, I forgot. This tape. This black tape needs to be over the battery. Uh-oh. Dummy me. Let's move on. We'll connect the battery now, I guess. And push down, push down, push down. Really? Push down. Come on. There we go. Push down. Easy. Just like that, we now have a battery in the Pixel again. And now is time to reinstall the coil. I actually got this phone off Facebook Marketplace for, what was it, $20 or $50? It was incredible. It was an incredible deal. And yes, it is not locked to anyone's Google account. They factory resetted it. And ever since then, I've used this phone as my dash cam. So it's for its entire life, it's been a phone for recording my drives. And I've been without this phone for several days, and it's actually giving me some anxiety on the roads because I don't have a camera running. Actually, the first day I found out about the battery exploding was also the same day I bought a regular dash cam. And oh boy, regular dash cams sucked. Like, the camera quality is all over the place. It's terrible. I regretted buying that thing. It's a good thing I returned it. But that doesn't change that you should use a phone as a dash cam. No, because this same problem that I face, you could face as well. Unless you remember to take it down every time after you come home from your drive or whatever. Or remember to keep your car in a cool place away from the sun. But still, a regular capacitor-based, I think, dash cam would still work better for this purpose. On a longevity and a actual usefulness point, because for one, using a phone, you don't have a record when park, unless you can make Android do that, but still. And reinstall. Oh, I forgot. That metal piece was blocking the connector for the back touch sensor, so I'll have to remove that again. That's my fault. Now, to reinstall this means I have to block the camera. Alright, now comes the fun part, putting that metal piece back in. Come on. Yeah. Okay, I have tweezers for this. Might as well use them. Why is it so much harder to do this with tweezers? There we go. Oh, finally. That took years. Alright, and now we can align it. There we go. Good as new, I think. Well, new enough. Oh, what the heck? It bent. How'd that happen? I don't remember bending it like that. Oh god. That's a severe bend, actually. That's pretty bad. What? Oh well. Let's see. No power, because it's dead, obviously. Let's grab my charger. Ooh. Yes! Alright, we got signs of life. Good, because I don't want to install the battery and realize that the battery is very dead. But I'll let it charge for a while, and then we'll test later. Or maybe we'll test now. 1% already. How nice. Yay, new battery. Alright, let's see, I need to test the camera. Whoa. Seems about as crappy as it was before. Nice. Wow. I did it, guys. I fixed the phone. Yay. Battery is brand spanking new. It's good health. Moderate throttling. Well, it's only at 2%. Yay. Well, I'm gonna let it charge up, and while it does that, I'll probably reinstall the actual tape, because reusing the old adhesive will not help. But I'm not sure if I trust this Teso tape, because I noticed that this phone's actually slightly bent. So look at that. It's, if it will focus, look at that, it's slightly bent. That's not from me. I didn't do that. I'm not jerry-rig everything. I don't have his big muscles. I'm half sure that it came from the battery expanding inside of the phone. So it's whatever, I guess. Seems about right. Look at that. If it'll rotate. Wow, look at that stunning camera quality. Very nice. Oh, and I can already feel it getting really hot from fast charging. That's nice. Maybe I should not let it get so hot from fast charging. So we'll switch over to some slower charging. There we go. All right, well, I guess that's gonna be the end of it. Thank you guys for watching this short video where I replace a Google Pixel battery. I'm not sure what to do with this one yet. Maybe I will go and get it recycled, because I don't really have a use for this, right? It's blown up. I can't really use it. It's expanded. But yeah, I'm gonna go and figure out about recycling this thing. And thank you guys for staying around. Yeah, subscribe here and watch more videos here. I know I haven't been uploading much lately, but that's mostly because I've been trying to focus on my studies, you know, with college going on and all that. But yeah, I hope you guys stay around for more videos, and see you later.